All right, for today in math, I want to make sure you guys are familiar with three different websites we will be using frequently. You should have already received your login card that has all of your different logins for the websites we will be using. The first one that I think everybody is familiar with is Dreambox. So as you can see, I am on our class webpage. All you have to do is click on Dreambox and it will redirect you. You guys need to type in your username and password down here. Once you do that, you can hit log in. Again, your username, your password, log in, and it will be exactly what you have done in the past. Some of you have used Prodigy. Some of you have not. This fun guy right here is Prodigy. We can click on him. And then we want to log in. So we're going to click on the blue. Now, same as with Dreambox. You have a username and a password. Type both in and click log in. Last but not least is Splash Math. It is also known as Splash Learn. It's the same thing. So if you click on that, please notice our class code is right here. We're going to need that in a few minutes. But if you click on Splash Math, what we want to do is we want to sign in. So we're going to click on Sign In, and we are a student. So we will click on Student. There's that class code we were just talking about. If you don't remember it, all you have to do is click back over. Okay, so I'm going to type that in. KWMGXN. Once you do that, you hit enter, and then all of your profiles come up. So you'll click on your name. After you click on your name, a place comes up for your password and you can sign in. I want you to take some time over the next couple days to try out Dreambox, Splash Math, and Prodigy. These are three very important math ones we will use very frequently. If you guys have trouble logging in or something's not working, please just send me an email and I will help get you through it.